Hi, my name is Mia Moore, and I am the Senior Technical Community Builder at Camunda.
Hello, my name is Samantha Holstein, and I'm a developer advocate here at Camunda. The Hack Day really just focuses on having a chunk of time to go in and play with Camunda. You're given a prompt and you're able to really just go in and learn as much as you want and have as much fun as you possibly can. The overall vibe is just happy and honestly exciting all at the same time, just because everyone there is coming in with different knowledge and a lot of different backgrounds, so you're able to really just learn and, as the name suggests, hack as much as you want to. So it's really fun.
The prompts are very silly, or not necessarily super business oriented, which makes it really fun, but there's still a lot of real life examples within those prompts. So for example, using connectors or making API calls, things like that. So you do learn real skills, but it's in a very fun and low stakes environment. And there's prizes. I mean, what could be more fun?
This year, it is all about overcomplicating your processes. We're going to be giving you 3 different scenarios that you can pick from. And for that, you're going to have to join us to find out what they specifically are. But the whole thing is to go in and overcomplicate the process as much as possible. This is to really make sure that, you're going in and doing something that you wouldn't be doing in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day coding career.
The tagline for the prompt is apply your BPMN skills badly, which I think is just fun. And it gives you an opportunity to maybe play around with some connectors you haven't done before, or utilize DMN tables that you maybe don't get to do in your regular day-to-day. So I think it's going to be a really fun way to learn more about the product and more about the capabilities while making maybe the world's ugliest model.
I think it's for a couple of reasons. The first one is to learn something new about the product, because the more you have to overcomplicate, probably the more either symbols or tasks or something that you might not actually be used to using, you're going to have to use. I feel like that also presents a challenge, especially in, today's environment, when you are most likely trying to have the most simple or the most pared down process. It uses your brain in a different way than you probably normally would in your day-to-day either developer or coding life.
Yeah, it's kind of the opposite of best practices. It's worst practices. And each example process that we provide uses different integrations or frameworks or whatever. So for example, I'll spoil one, uses ChatGPT. So if you've never gotten an opportunity to use a ChatGPT connector before, that could be a really fun way to experiment with it. And then also add different pieces, again, like Samantha said, different things that you may not usually use in your day-to-day, but want to experiment with. Sign up for Hack Day because we have a limited amount of seats available. So sign up as soon as you know that you're interested to make sure that you get a spot.